Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, we are, of course, in a new month. And usually on the first of the month, I always take a look at the market share for Windows. So we're a little late this month. We're March the 3rd. But interesting numbers ahead. So what happens with Windows 10 and Windows 11 in February? So we had this anomaly, we'll call it like that, from October to November to December, where Windows 10 actually picked up some usage, which was kind of weird, but it all reversed in January and February. I would probably think a lot of it has to do with new PCs being sold. They were all sold with Windows 11 on them. And so the market share for Windows 10 actually went below 60%. Now it's at 58.8% for what is the market share of Windows in February 2025. So it's still a high number once again. More than half of the PCs still are running Windows 10. But now Windows 11 is getting a little more serious now. Will we see Windows 11 reach 40% in March? That'd be interesting because it is going up. So from 34.1 in December, it jumped to 36.6 and then jumped to 38.1. So that means that it's almost, at least 1.5. So we're going to be close to 40% probably with March. And if the market actually goes with a certain speed, because usually as we get closer and closer to the end of support, the new PCs basically accelerate. So the sales will maybe go up in the next months. And this is what a lot of the different companies actually think is going to happen. There's going to be a trend where there's going to be a rise in PC sales, which automatically should show a rise in Windows 11. So these are the numbers, kind of interesting here. What will happen this year? What point is there going to be a tip over where Windows 10 will, for the first time ever, be below Windows 11? And I think this year is when it's going to happen. So that's going to be nice. Once again, 58.8 is still very, very high. Considering the end of support is getting closer and closer on Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.